Hi guys, so in this special copywriting class, we're going to focus on showing you how to create an effective ad copy. Now, we're going to be releasing some of our secrets, how we prepare for ad campaigns, and this particular one is going to cover the primary text, particularly when you're running a Facebook ad campaign. So we're going to show you how we create and generate ideas for our ad copies. Then after we're done with creating original content or original ad copy structures, maybe something simple depending on what we want to promote. So in this particular one, we're going to be promoting a promo offer for a real estate company, which we're going to use to run ads. All right. So we're going to show you how exactly we generated basic format to help us succeed in this ad campaign. And lastly, we're going to show you how we prompted AI, specifically Chat GPT, to optimize our ad copy. All right. We also use it to get inspiration for FAQs. Don't forget, we also shared that FAQs are very powerful. You could use it to guide your clients in starting up the relevant conversations with you on your ad. So let's jump right straight into this video. So you can see we're still developing the content. Okay, so I'm going to show you a sample of the flyer. Everything here was generated without AI, but we are still going to export this to Chat GPT and optimize. So, so let's have a look of the flyer and see what it looks like. So this particular offer, so you can see this is the creative we are using. Now we're going to submit this to Chat GPT and see what it can do with it for us. So I'm going to copy this. Okay, so you visit, okay, chat.openai.com. Okay, so you can see I'm already logged in. You could log in or sign up with your Gmail. So I'm going to prompt this chat AI. So I'm going to say generate an optimized ad copy for, and I'm going to paste the one I did. So you can see how beautiful this ad copy is. Okay. So I'm just going to take out all of these asterisks that made it bold on ChatGPT before uploading. So this is much better. Okay, so next we'll just go with generate FAQs to help. Okay, so we're gonna take this one. Okay, I wouldn't want to add this one. I want them to hop in on the offer. Okay, I'm thinking of editing this. What documentation comes with purchasing a plot of land? Comes with what documentation comes with purchasing a plot of land? A plot. Okay, what documentation comes with purchasing a plot at the estate? Let's go with this one. Okay, so we have taken down 4. We could stop there, or we could also add if we want. So we could also use this one. Let's just add this.